Hey, welcome to Check Out the Rileys. Today we want to talk to you about something serious, more serious, I guess. Our future plans and stuff. Um, we are about 70% sure that we're going to do this. So we're going to go ahead and share that with you guys now. We are, again, the Philippines is a new adventure for us and our family, and different things that we do here it's all new for us. So we have talked to our parents, and of course me and Mercy have talked a lot, and what we're thinking as of right now is us trying, notice I say trying, us trying to move here to the farm. Since we've been together, we've never lived something like this before. This is the house that is at the farm right now, and the house is it's pretty much, it's not huge. It's actually a very small house. It's only a 1-bedroom. It's got a small CR and kitchen, living area all together. But it does have this bedroom here that we're in right now, which has an air conditioner in it, which is very important to me, and to be able to sleep and stuff. But we're going to give you a little tour around the house part of this farm. And we've had other videos where we're at the farm. It's truly huge place, and it's like sections, different areas, different things of the farm. But mostly what this farm is, it is a palm oil farm, but there's other things that they also grow here, and of course they got chickens, they got some caribou, they got sheep and goats and dogs. So, and again, we don't know anything about taking care of stuff, and we want to learn. We want to make this another chapter in our lives here in the Philippines. And the farm is, you guys have seen probably the video, that it takes a lot to get to the farm. It's way off the main road. It's almost 4x4 only, or motorcycle. Our car does make it up in here. Well, we got an SUV, so it does okay getting up in here, but it is a bit of a trek. So this is all new to us. Again, we have anxiety about it. I have anxiety about it, and we're going to show you this place. This is before we touch it, okay? We haven't cleaned it out. We haven't got it ready for ourselves yet. So we're in the process of planning it all. So we just want to bring you guys along for that plan, and show you guys what we're going to do, what we're thinking and how we're going to make it all happen, because we don't know, honestly. We're going to do this by the grace of God, and He's there for us, and we've been praying about it a long time, and there's good things, and then there's things that we don't like, and so it's a lot, and it's going to be a challenge for our family, and we just want you guys to be a part of it, and keep watching, check out the Rileys, and see what's next for the Rileys. So, but let's give you a little tour around the place. We'll show you the house itself and the area around the house here. Hey, let's take a tour of the house. This is the farmhouse here, and as you see, it's kind of small. It's got different areas here, and it's got caretaker area at the back, or storage area. There's a back patio. There's CR on the back side. But we're going to take you in the house real quick, and we'll show you those other areas as well. So again, this is just a small house. It's a starter place for us here in the farm. So as you see, we got a little table set out here already. So that'll come in handy when we're out here chilling out, when the bugs aren't too bad. But come on now. Again, we haven't cleaned the place yet, so bear with us as we show you it nice and dirty. Okay, this has just been sitting here, so it needs a lot of cleaning. So this huge area that you see, this is our living area and the kitchen. So back in this area here, there's a little fridge in here already, but we may get a bigger fridge for ourselves. We eat a little bit more than that, and this is just a chair that is here. We'll do something with this and put it out of the way. The kids will enjoy this. We got a couple of these tables already and some red chairs here. So we'll check that out. This is the sink area. So we'll again get it all cleaned up, but we have spring water here, so it's pretty nice. Unlimited water supply, if you will. Over here we got a stove, a gas stove, so we got the gas stove here. Mercy's cooked on a gas stove before, and I never have, so we'll learn more about doing that. That was on.
It's unplugged. So.
Oh, okay. All right. Should we check out the CR? The CR, nice and dirty right now, but anyways, there's a sink here, and there's the toilet, a regular flush toilet. And there's the main thing that's going to keep me sane. It's got hot water already. So as you can see, the CR is not all tiled out, just the tile on the floor or whatever. So it's pretty raw still. So we don't know if we'll paint it or what we'll do, but it's good to go like this for now. So again, a good cleaning will do wonders. And then bring you into the bedroom. So far the bedroom's my favorite. Right now it just has a single bed in here, but we got another bed out there. So we may just have the kids in here with us. It's very common in the Philippines to have your kids in the same room as you. We'll just have to schedule, We've got the aircon here. Got a window to the back side there. So we got enough plugs and stuff. We don't have a closet or anything in here, but we'll work on something like that coming up. But that is pretty much a tour of our place. We're not going to put a lot of furniture in here or anything like that. We're not going to overwhelm it with stuff. Unless Mercy does it. But, you know, we want to keep it simple and keep it comfortable. But tell us what you guys think of our house. Again, we're going to take you on the rest of the tour here.
Kaninong kulungan yan siya, no? Kulungan.
Sa kana sa amo tong kulong nga sa karnero karagay susudi.
Kanang gamay.
Sa
Here's the back room. Wala na nakatira dito, no? Here's the aircon. Hey, for the rain. Look. Ulan. Hindi mag-ano ang lamok dyan, no?
dili akong may tanang bisita dito na. Gidala na ko dire kay dito. Ano hot na.
Huh?